Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about a fascinating topic, steganography. Steganography is an art and science of hiding messages in plain sight. It is an ancient practice that has been used for centuries to keep sensitive information confidential. In this video, we are going to explore the history of steganography, different techniques used to hide messages, and how it's used in modern day communication. Steganography is derived from the Greek word stegnos, meaning covered or hidden, and graphia meaning writing. It is believed that the earliest use of steganography can be traced back to the ancient Greeks, who used it to send secret messages during wartime. In the Middle Ages, steganography was used by spies and secret agents to exchange sensitive information. One famous example is the use of invisible ink by George Washington during the American Revolution. So there are two types of steganography. First one is digital steganography and the second one is physical steganography, which we used to do that. So now let's get into the virtual box, as we will do everything in the virtual box only. So let's enter the password. Okay, for this we need three things. First one, the tool. This tool is open source. You can download it from Google only. Okay, you can go to Google and search for XIAO steganography. And the second one is this image we need. You can use any other image as well. This is my choice, so you can use another image also. So and the third thing is we need the text file, the secret message we want to share with the person. In the text message I have written, everything is ready to evacuate you, just wait for the right time. This is the secret message I want to share. Actually secret message should looks like secret message, right? So the for that thing I have written that. Okay, so we need that these three things. Okay, so what you will have to do is you can go to the properties and check that the image type that is in jpg format. Okay, but to perform this tasks we need that file in bmp format. So how you can do it, just open the paint app or else you can click on the right. Okay, open with paint. Okay, so it's loaded now. So just click on files, save as, and here bmp picture, it's called bitmap picture. Okay, so this tool supports this file types only. I will name that file as test and you can see it's bmp. Save. Okay, so what you will have to do is just open the application once, click on add files, add the picture what we have just converted into bmp, click open, next, and now upload the text file. The secret message you want to share you will have to upload. Click on next, and if you want to share the password or if you want to lock it, you can enter the password or else you can click on next. If it is secret thing you can enter the password. I just entered 123. Click on next and encoding is done. Name the new file. I will just name it as final test and save it. Okay, so here you can see this file is here, final.test, and cut everything. I don't need these things now. Okay, now open this picture. Okay, you can see there is no changes has been made through this and you can see this picture and the previous one. Let me open the previous picture. If you find the difference, please comment in this comment section. Okay,